Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to set up a video using the Content Samurai Intelligent Video Creator software. And you can get a free trial for 7 days. There's a link down in the description of this video. Click on it. It's really easy to sign up for. You just need your name and your email. And then you click submit, and they'll send you your 7-day free trial access link. Set up your password and go from there. When you click and it comes to the website, it'll take you directly to the tutorials. You can take those if you want. I do recommend them, or you can start using the app immediately. Okay, so when you start, I'm going to go ahead and delete this one. And then you just click on generate video, create new video. Okay, so when you create new video, it's going to take you out to this dashboard, and you're going to see different templates that you can use. It gives you square, landscape. Okay, then you've got influencer videos, instant ads, sales videos, training courses, videos, or templates, and property templates. And you can go through. I'm going to go ahead and choose the sales video, and I'm going to click on the digital marketing. All right, so when you click on it, it's going to expand. You could watch the video. There's really no point in it. You can if you want, but since you're going to be customizing it, it's kind of just a waste of time. So you just click on use this template, and then it takes you to your script. So you have the template. Now we're in the script. So it's good that if you already have your script set up, and I do want to mention that it's really important that you have it properly formatted before you make the video. It'll be a lot easier. You just copy and paste. Okay, so I'm using the free version of Grammarly, so you can download that if you want. It's free. Comes in really handy. See if I can get that to work. Okay, so you definitely want to make sure that your bullet points are set up correctly. I learned that the first time. Because however you have it formatted is how it's going to look in your video. Alright, so let's go ahead and proceed. Create scenes. Okay, so for Find Media, you can have clips or you can have images. And it's going to take some of the words that you're using, and it's going to automatically go out and look for clips. So have you heard about this new system? And right now I've generated 13 slides that can help you pocket daily commissions. Okay, and you can do a voiceover. We're going to do that next. You can see it change the scene. Now you could go up here and you can use your own keywords if you want. It's really up to you. see. I need to make a few changes here. And now you have to use hotkeys. So to cut, use copy X. And then to paste, Control V. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this scene. And it didn't, my formatting didn't stick. So I'm just going to go ahead and tweak it a little bit. Okay, now, like I said, if you want to change something, let's check on video. I could change that. For test drive, I could do like drive. I'll change that. And there's steps here. These are different clips. And leave that for now. See what they say about herd, or you know what we can come up with that. Okay. Okay, since I'm okay with the images, I'm going to go over to the voice, and you can click on the voices. Oops, I'm sorry, that skipped. I want to do an auto voice. Say, Harry, you want to find something that sounds...
My name is Harry and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Okay, now what I found, it may not sound good. I did this with another one with music. The music was kind of choppy, but when I downloaded it, it sounded great. So, and the same thing I think is going to happen with the voice as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do Harry. And it's going to add his voice to everything. Now you can add music if you want. Now what I found with some of the images is, although they say Creative Commons, some of the images still require you to add an attribution based on the license. So I'm going to see what happens when I do the video clips. Now, if you want to avoid all that, you can always go out and find your own images that you know are copyright free and you don't need any attributions, and you can upload them and use your own templates. There's places like Pixabay that has tens of thousands of copyright free, no attribution required clips that you can use, or images that you can use. If you want to use music, you could go out to the YouTube library and pick music. And it says here, you're free to use this song and monetize your video. If there's any kind of attribute that, so you can see attribution not required, click on that. So only songs that don't need an attribution. I'm going to show you what it looks like if you have an attribution requirement. Okay, so if you use this, then you have to add this part. Let me just copy this. This part down at the bottom of your video, or your video description, that has to be included. Okay, but if you want to avoid all that, you can use attribution not required, and then. But one of the things that I recommend about using music is you don't use anything loud or irritating to the ears. Okay? You want it to sound nice and kind of mellow, you know, upbeat and happy, but not obnoxious or loud or anything like that. Okay, so you can go ahead and look at your video and see.
Have you heard about this new system that can help you pocket daily affiliate missions?
See how it's kind of choppy?
Do you currently have an account with an affiliate network like JVZoo or ClickBank? If not, you...
Now, I'm going to go and I'm going to do the download. And I'm going to generate the video. So it's going to go through a few steps. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video right here because it has to go through all this and it takes a few minutes. Okay, so once it's done generating everything, it's going to come to another screen and it's going to tell you to download your video. Okay, so when I was doing the video in the software, it was kind of choppy. The voice was kind of choppy. And now that I've downloaded it to my computer...
Daily affiliate commissions. Do you currently have an account with an affiliate network like JVZoo or ClickBank?
It flows really nice and easy.
Programs for free. You're about to discover a system that takes as little as 12 minutes to set up. With this system, you don't need your own website to have your own products, any special skills to blog, or no social media. Step 1. Tell the system what affiliate products you want to promote. Step 2. Add some push-button traffic. This literally takes 2 minutes. Step 3. Watch the system grow your list and sell your affiliate products for you. You can test drive the system for yourself risk-free. Click the link below in the video description for access the 12-minute affiliate system.
Alright, so there's some tweaking I need to do, and I'm going to go in and fix that, and then upload it to YouTube and go from there. I'll be doing more video tutorials, so please check back. Please like, subscribe, and share, and thanks for watching.